Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung madalas ginagawa ng mga Pilipino. Kaya hindi sila nagkakaroon ng umpisa para gawin yung mga bagay para makaalis sila doon sa sitwasyon nila. Yun yung paghahanap ng perfect opportunity, perfect event, perfect time para mag-umpisa. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
One of the big problems now that's very misguided about this idea of finding your passion, it's almost as if people are looking to fit the key into the lock of the thing that was meant for them to do.
Right, and then everything will feel like a natural progression.
Right, and then everything will be wonderful.
Yeah, I can attest to the fact that is not how it works in any endeavor.
Right, and that you'll have all this great success, or and here's where I really think the answer lies, and I really, really believe this. Stop looking for your passion and instead look around right where you are. Stop distracting yourself, look around right where you are and see what needs to be done. So not what do I want to do, but what is the work that needs to be done.
You know what? That is so powerful. Yung tanungin mo lang yung sarili mo, what work needs to be done right now? Pag tumingin ka sa paligid mo, may nakita kang marumi, may nakita kang hindi mo gusto, may nakita kang nakakalat, pwede mo na kagad ayusin yun. And doon ka magsisimulang mag-develop ng problem-solving skills mo. Kasi una, nagiging aware ka sa surroundings mo by actually looking around you. And pangalawa, iniisip mo kung paano mo ma-attain yung goal mo after mong ma-recognize kung ano yung kailangan gawin.
And more importantly, it doesn't have to be some grandiose work. Like, does the garbage need to be taken out, right? Is there some garbage on your neighbor's lawn that someone threw there that you could actually bend over and pick up and put into the garbage can? Look around you. There is so much work that needs to be done that nobody wants to do that is really, really important. And if we all did that, I really think the world would be a much better place.
And no matter how small that is, as long as you find it as a work that needs to be done, you are going to contribute a lot sa society.
And this is what people who have severe addiction who get into recovery realize. They're like, it's not about me and my will and what I'm going to will in my life or in the world. It's about looking around what needs to be done. What is the work that I am called to do in this moment? Which also is incredibly freeing because I don't have to search for the perfect thing. There's a lot of burden now on young people that they have to find that perfect thing. And until they've found that perfect thing, they're going to be miserable.
Ang daming gumagawa ng ganyan actually. Yung hinihintay nila yung perfect moment, perfect opportunity, perfect work, perfect time para gumalaw at improve yung sarili nila, which is not going to happen. Kasi ang mangyayari lang dyan is you will have what you have until you've done something different that you haven't done. Para makuha mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa nakukuha, kailangan mong gumawa ng mga bagay na hindi mo pa ginagawa. Ganun lang kasimple yun. It's not going to, yun nga, sabi kanina na magkakaroon ng perfect timing yung mga bagay-bagay. Kasi once na hinintay mo yun, you are not going to go anywhere. You will be stuck waiting for that perfect moment. Until ma-realize mo na ang kailangan mo lang pala gawin is gawin yung mga bagay na nakapresent or kung anong meron ka sa mga bagay na kaya mong gawin. And be good at it, improve it, tsaka ka ngayon kumuha ng panibagong task or panibagong problema para sanayin yung sarili mo doon sa skill na matututunan mo doon sa bagay na yun.
You don't have to do that. Look at the life you were given. Look at the people around you. Look at the jobs that present themselves to you and do that job simply and honorably one day at a time.
Literal, para kang natututong maglakad. One step at a time. Huwag mong madaliin or huwag mong tignan yung end goal mo kasi madi-discourage ka talaga sa liit ng progress na ginagawa mo every time nakafocus ka doon sa bigger goals mo. So, break it down sa maliliit na goals. Like, for example, maghanap ng trabaho, ganun, that's one. And then, pag next na goal mo, pag nakapasok ka ng trabaho is to be actually good at your work. And then, the next goal could be promotion and so on and so forth. Diba? Magagawa mong makaahon sa kahit anong sitwasyon by actually breaking the goals into small enough pieces para magawa mo siya nang hindi ka na-overwhelmed doon sa bigger goals mo.
With a kind of humility. I think this is really what's so striking to me about the wisdom of people in recovery. There's this incredible humility that comes out of that experience. You feel so broken, so ashamed, but you pick yourself up one day at a time and you build a life that's around what can I do right in this moment that might benefit another person and thereby benefit me.
So, humihinto ka maging perwisyo sa ibang tao, 'di ba? Katulad ng mga tambay, nagiging linta lang sila sa magulang nila or kung saan man sila nakadepende. So, tatanungin mo na yung sarili mo, how can I be beneficial para sa ibang tao? Hindi lang yung tatanungin mo yung sarili mo na, ay, paano kaya ako mabubuhay ngayong araw? Ay, paano kaya ako magsasaya ngayon? 'Di ba? Yung tanong mo humihinto na doon sa pag identify kung paano ka makikinabang. Pero you are now starting to ask yourself how or kung paano ka magiging kapaki-pakinabang para sa ibang tao. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.